What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's D.i.y again. Welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be doing skincare, the D.I.Y skincare fix mask, which includes two amazing ingredients: turmeric and apple cider vinegar. Max in particular helps in acne, dark spots, pimples, skin lightening, skin toning. So guys, like I said, the two ingredients I will be using to do this fix mask is apple cider vinegar and turmeric powder. So guys, I usually do this face mask like after my time of the month. After, you should understand what I'm trying to say, when I usually have breakout, like my skin is having some blemishes, I don't know, that's how my skin reacts when it's that time of the month. So I'm making use of this turmeric powder, this Spice Supreme turmeric brand powder, and also this safari apple cider vinegar. These are the main ingredients that I'll be using to make this face mask. So guys, for the measurement, for the mixing of this face mask, I'll be using a bowl and also an approximately teaspoon for the mixture and the measurement. So guys, I'll be taking like 1 teaspoon of this turmeric powder to make a consistency with the apple cider vinegar. So I'll be taking 1 teaspoon. You shouldn't be much, and be careful while taking this turmeric powder, because by the time it gets to somewhere and stain you up, maybe your clothing or something, forget about it, it's already stained forever. So I'll be putting it in this bowl, this clean bowl, just that teaspoon, because I'll be using this max just once. Then I'll be taking this apple cider vinegar, approximately 1 teaspoon also, as you can see. So I'll be mixing it together to make a consistency. I can see that the paste I'm trying to make is still powdery, like it's not making a paste at all, like I can still see. So I'm going to go in the apple cider vinegar once more, then add like 1 teaspoon also again. Then start to mix once more. To me, it's still thick, like the consistency is not still there. So I'm still gonna go back this time and add another like half of this spoon to make it the consistency come out, like make it a paste. Like I can see that it's making like a dough, and this is not what I want. So I'm going to go back and add the two. It's getting okay, right? I think the paste is ready to be applied as a max right now. Consistency is on the average level, so it can be applied. So for me to apply this, I'm not going to use my hand, because by then if I use my hand, my fingernail is going to get colored stained in yellow, or I can make it spill off. So I'm going to be using this makeup flat brush in applying. Make sure your face is clean, like there's no dirt. If you're not sure of this, you can take a baby wipes to wipe your face again. Also, so I'll be applying the fix mask on my face right now. I'm going to be applying this mask to my neck also to tone it to my skin, my face, my face color. Like I think my neck is kind of dark, so I'm going to apply it also to my neck. So by the time I want to apply my makeup and apply my foundation, because I use my face skin color to choose my foundation color, so it's going to rhyme with my neck. Like my neck is not going to be looking dark while my face is looking light. So I'll be applying it towards my neck also. So guys, while we wait till it get dried, I'm gonna tell you how this works in this face mask, this apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is like a natural skin toning like all the ingredients sometimes. I don't know. You can use it as skin toning, like it purifies the skin, like even yeah, sometimes when I run out of face cleanser, I use this as to act as my face cleanser. I'll just apply it to my cotton wool, then use it to clean my face. So it has a natural ingredient for skin toning, purifying the skin also. While this turmeric powder, like I don't know if you will have seen so many Indians try to bake using it as their before their wedding day. They use that all those beauty application stuff, like to enhance their skin, to tone their skin, to remove any acne, any pimples on their face. So this also acts as it, and even so many cream that you usually buy to use for your fairness, like this is also an ingredient that they include in those cream also. So this acts like as an lightening agent also in this mask. So that's how these two comes together to help in pimples, acne, dark spots, and so on and so on. Skin toning, skin lightening, like to even the skin, like to help my this color of my neck to rhyme with the color of my face. That's why I'm doing this D.i.y face mask. So guys, I think this is already getting dried. Like I can feel it by the time I smile or do something. By the time I smile or it's already trying to get full of, like it's already making some crack. I think it's already dried. I don't know. Like it's already good. So guys, I'll be washing this off of camera, then come back to show you the results. I'll be right back. Yeah guys, I'm done washing my face. I use a face cleanser to also wash my face so that any residue of the face mask won't be left on my face. Even though there's no residue, the turmeric in it will make you wanna use a plain face cleanser or the right soap to wash your face. So guys, I'm done washing my face. Like, can you see? So guys, if you want this mask to be effective, like you have to do it like 3 days, 3 regular days, like 3 days following each other for you to see how effective this mask is. Can you see my neck? Like it's just a little bit changing, but for me to see more changes, I have to do it for like 3 days for me to see how this mask really works. See my neck, look at my neck. So guys, after I'm done, I have to moisturize my face, even though I have a also oily skin, and you should have known by now what I usually use to moisturize my face. So guys, I'll be using my African shea butter to moisturize my face. I'll just be taking a little portion of the African shea butter, then just to put it to my face. Like the turmeric in the mask itself, it's the skin to glow. It helps in the glow of the skin. So guys, I'm trying to apply the shea butter to my face. Guys, I would recommend you should do this face mask at night when you're about to sleep, so that before morning, the African shea butter that you use as moisturizer will have worked perfectly to your skin, and by the time you wake up in the morning, your skin is already glowing, like can glow and stay for the day. So guys, we're done with the face masks. Guys, I want you to try this face mask and tell me your experience when you use it. Like, what's your contribution about? Let me know in the comment section. So guys, thanks for watching this video. If you're a new subscriber, thanks for taking your time to check on me. Do remember to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified when I'm basing videos out. Thanks for watching guys. Share this video, like it, comment, share it to your family and friends. Don't forget. See you in my next video. Bye.